Alrighty, YouTubers. Merry Christmas Eve to everybody. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below, which will be my Amazon affiliate link. And see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. But if you like this item, click the link, add it to your cart, and check out. They'll ship this to you really fast. So we got it, guys. We are here. Santa Claus will be here in a few hours. Most part of the world. And the other part, he has arrived already. So if you got some gift cards you want to spend, this might be the item to get. Eco-friendly. Alright. Something. This is coming from Vellgoo. Ah, look at this little guy. This is something new. Dehumidifier. 1 pack. Ooh. Eco-friendly and healthy. Safe on grade. Recyclable. 0 decibels. Energy saving. Alright, definitely check this out. We'll see what the this review unit looks like. And if you like it, all you gotta do is click that link. We got the manual. Should be easy to set up. Must be the filter. Shake, shake, shake. Not sure what that stuff is inside. Alright. This would be good for like your gaming room, kids' room, anywhere that you need to put it. There we go. It's like a salt shaker. Shake it like a salt shaker. Alright, let's see, that is empty. That is empty. Now it's time for this little guy to come out. Alright, that is empty. So, Vellgoo. There we go. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, sorry about that. Alright. Oops. And right there. Here's the unit. Alright, got cord. Come on. Oh man. There we go. It's being shy. Come on out. Vellgoo. Got the easy slide guy thing. No touch. Do not touch. Okay. That cord. And then we're off to the races, guys. So if you need a new dehumidifier, click that link down below and place your order now. I don't think Amazon delivers on Christmas Day, so I swear I thought they did 1 year, but I might be wrong. We'll put this in first. Oh, there it is. It's like some kind of orange. They probably heat up or something. Make it smelly. Alright, let's go. Whoa. Here we go. You guys can hear it. It's quiet. See that orange stuff? That's like, maybe make it fresher. I don't know. Maybe I'll read the manual for a minute. There's an indicator window, which I showed you where that stuff was. Dehumidifier body, which is this. Heating base, which is here, so it might take a few seconds to heat up. Then we'll know what's going on here. Oh, here we go. Dry orange, heating, damp, dark green. Oh, so it changes colors. All right. The cord is in good condition. Yeah, everything's perfect. So let's see how long it takes. Perfect for a small space. Gun safe, closets, kitchens, cabinets, piano stands, bookcases, safe deposit boxes, storage unit, small space. Please renewing. View the indicator. If beads are orange, the unit is ready to use. Okay, so when it turns green, that's when you're going to need to buy a new one. Once the indicator bead turns green, it's time to renew the unit. To renew, place a unit. To renew, place a unit on the heating base and power it on until it's orange. Whoa. Do not put it in water. So I think that's about it. I mean, we'll give it a few minutes. I don't want to be too long for you guys to watch. But how long does he take? So it says 2 hours, 1 cycle. Dehumidifier can be recycled 300 times. Wow, 300 plus times. After the dehumidifier body is completely restored, it could generally last for about 2 to 3 weeks. Whoa. Alright, so this is pretty cool, this little guy. So definitely, guys, if you're in the market, you know, put in your work office, your college dorm, if you guys are still back at school. Like I said, your gaming room. Yeah, it's still orange. It might take a minute to heat up. It's warm. So be careful touching it. Like around here, especially little kitties, do not touch. It is warm. So like I said, different temperatures, different people. This might be burning for kids, so. But definitely, really cool, really nice. And there we go. So, I mean, I don't think we have 2 to 3 hours to wait till it turns green. But definitely check it out. Alright, YouTubers, be safe. Merry Christmas to all. And see you guys soon. And hopefully you guys get a lot of stuff from Santa. Be nice next year. See ya.